Top 5 reasons why people take your kindness for granted. 1. Always saying yes makes others expect your constant availability and help. 2. Suppressing your feelings leads others to overlook your emotional needs entirely. 3. Avoiding conflict just to keep peace allows others to exploit your kindness easily. 4. Lacking clear boundaries lets people cross limits without realizing the impact. 5. Initial appreciation often turns into expectation, making kindness seem like an obligation. Set boundaries and remember, saying no is necessary, not rude